Do you want to get better reception in your home from Sprint? Right here, a Pebble. Getting your speed up in your house. Get a Pebble. It's free. This is free from Sprint. Please dive in and subscribe to the Professor Blue Review. We're going to help you now. I'm going to get on my phone and show you how to do a update, a service update, a network reposition that they don't really tell you about. They'll let you know online, but it's hard to find. Okay, first thing you want to do is make sure your LTE setting is on your iPhone and your Android. Excellent. Okay, so in our iPhone, the first thing we're going to do is want to turn our LTE settings on. And right here, go to settings, right there, settings, and then go down here to cellular. Right here, cellular, and go ahead and hit that. And what's going to come up in the top here is cellular data options and roaming. Go ahead and hit that. Real nice. Go to the next one. And then you're going to see voice and data LTE. The LTE is the one you really want to have on. Go there. Make sure your LTE is on right there, checked, and you're good to get this data update going. Nice job. Okay, we're going to show you how to improve your Sprint phone reception and data speed. Right here, go to your settings, shut off your Wi-Fi. Make sure that your Wi-Fi is shut off. Go back to your phone and where you dial and put in pound 873 283 pound. I got to put that in. 283 pound. Right there. There we go. 873-283 pound. Hit it. And you'll do a service update. It's going to make things go faster. Let it sit for about 10 minutes and you have got it. To do a second service update, you should only do this about once a week. To do a second service update complete right there. All good. Okay, let's make our Sprint phones even faster now with a subscription setting reset, a subscriber setting reset. Once again, go here, shut off your Wi-Fi, go back to your phone. Right here, we got to find the phone and put in pound again. Now, you can only do this one once a week. 25327. 25327 pound, and that spells clear. And hit it again, hit it right there, and it says resetting subscriber settings right there. Wait about 15 minutes and you have got a faster phone. Those are two settings, updates that you can do. Thanks. Please subscribe to the Professor Blue Review. Hit that subscribe bell notification. Thanks. You're completely reset on both sides. The update and the subscriber settings. It's just clearing out things that you don't need. Okay, turn your Wi-Fi back on and you're all updated. Great job. There you go. On an Android, it's a little bit different. You would go to update, settings, system, and then update. You would just go through, walking through from your general main page, and you would go on an Android, update, settings, system, and then update. That's your first update. You can do a couple times a week. But to reset your subscriber settings on an Android, you would go pound 727-727-86. And then hit it, and you're there. So that's your Android settings. So we hope this has improved your Sprint phone reception, data speed, with a service update that you may not be able to find. It's just really easy here. And we hope that we have helped you here at the Professor Blue Review. Hello, this is the Professor Blue Review, and we're going to help you get better reception out of your Sprint and T-Mobile phones right here. Now, the first thing, T-Mobile is offering you these. It's called a Pebble. Pebble right here. They'll give it to you for free. Send it to you. Just call Sprint and they will send you one out, and it will help your reception throughout your entire home, and it'll build your reception on your phone too. But first, get yourself a Pebble. It's free from Sprint. You can hook it up right here through your cable, and you can use Wi-Fi, or you can go direct into the line with a Cat 5 cable. And they'll send you the cable also. So pick up a Pebble. Great study guide here, and you can get it going right away. It'll help your reception and your service. It's a troubleshooting way. Fantastic. This is Professor Blue trying to help you and your family, your home, and your business. Let's get that family hooked up a little bit better. There's where we hook it up. Your Ethernet cable, your antenna right there, and your DC outlet, and a reception in your home all the way through your house. Even if you already have a modem, it'll hook right up to your modem. And there's an antenna that comes with it, and you put it right in your window, and comes with all the parts here. Your cable, your Ethernet cable, your antenna right here, your plug, and the unit, a Pebble. Hey, call Sprint, they'll send you one out. Please subscribe to the Professor Blue Review. Hit that subscribe bell notification. Thanks. We've got some free Audible audiobooks down below if you want to check out below. Thanks a lot. Please subscribe and check out the Professor Blue Review in the description down below. Once again, we hope that this helped you with your reception to improve your Sprint phone reception. Sprint has been fantastic. Their customer service is really excellent. And they're offering this Pebble. Pick one up. Just call Sprint and they will give you a Pebble. Just say, you want a Pebble? And you want better reception in your house throughout your entire home. It will enhance your Wi-Fi, or you can go direct. My suggestion is just go direct in with an Ethernet cable that comes with it. And let's get our Sprint phones flying through the, flying through the atmosphere. So we did what we called a service update. Go to the Professor Blue Review and get some great kids technology so that they can learn. Hey, coding is the new ABCs. So we've got some great coding programs for you, fun programs, and engineering programs, and art. We've got some great art tablets for learning artists and new animators. And we also have a kit that's to amazing kitchens. But anyways, tablets down below for you and your business, and getting your speed up in your house. Get a Pebble. It's free. This is free from Sprint. A Pebble, free from Sprint. I'm going to leave you a link to some free Mellow music some artists gave to me, and that will help you chill out. Will help you chill out also. Anyways, this is the Professor Blue Review, helping you with your online life, your home, your family, and your business. Have a good day. Please dive in and subscribe to the Professor Blue Review. Subscribe, share, and enjoy. Thanks. Have a good day. Do you want to get better reception in your home from Sprint? Right here, a Pebble, and then get some kids technology for the kids. We got to keep those kids learning and keeping them excited about learning. Got to keep them excited about learning new knowledge. If learning isn't fun it's not sticking for life. There we go. So work smarter instead of working harder, and get yourself a Pebble and get your reception up, and go to the Professor Blue review. 7 links to make your family, your business, your brand, your community group go viral. Please enjoy. This is a great code. Put your phone up to the code with your camera and it'll show right up online with you. Hey, we have great kids technology and learning things for homeschooling. Ranked #1 on Google. Start and scale your business. And affiliate marketing will show you how, and some chill music, and the best web hosting. All in the 7 links to make yourself, your business, your brand go viral from the Professor Blue Review. Enjoy. Have a good day. Please dive in and subscribe to the Professor Blue Review. Subscribe, share, and enjoy. Thanks. Have a good day.